Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving yard getting ready to do something really cool. Carve up another first for me. October, we got Halloween will be coming up, right? With all that in mind, I decided to try my hand at carving the Headless Horseman. Now we've got half of a pine log here. You guys can see what we got, about 6 inches across, you know, about maybe 18 here. It's about 2.5, 3 foot tall. Now, I've drawn it on really rough, okay? But hopefully you guys can kind of see. We've got a horse, right? The body, missing the head, the pumpkin. The goal is to make it all one piece. We're going to be using the chainsaws here, the power tools back at the shop to detail it and clean it up. Now, this one's going to be difficult. You know, this is going to have to be a 3-dimensional piece that goes all the way around, not just like a silhouette. So be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Really do appreciate those of you who've become members. I appreciate those of you that buy swag. If you guys are interested in swag or Kyle Hall Woodworker gear, check out the tab below the video, down below. It'll take you guys to my store, and you can help support the channel and rock some nice shirts and hoodies. What do you guys think? Think we can make this happen? I hope so. Be sure to stick around. Let's start making some sawdust. Check it out, the Headless Horseman coming together. Right now it's all chainsaw work. We will be taking this back. We did have a piece here break off. Now I am carving spruce, and this tends to happen with spruce logs. Normally I prefer to carve like yellow pine. Usually don't get cracks like this in the piece. So anyway, we got a little piece here propping it up, but we'll glue that back together. We're also going to end up screwing up through this leg into the body. We're going to put an oak dowel in there because we're going to separate that other leg from the base and have him standing on one leg rearing up. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Should be a little difficult. Hopefully things don't continue to fall apart, because if they do, it's just going to be firewood and I'm going to be mad. You might be like, what's going on up here? Well, I kind of want flowing crazy hair. That's what I got to start with the chainsaw, but we'll use the Saburrtooth burrs, some die grinders, angle grinder, all that good stuff, and we'll clean this thing up next. If you're still here though, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Again, make sure you leave me a comment at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought of this carve. If you guys want to support the channel, you guys can get some channel merch. There should be a bar below the video, just above the description. Go there, check out my channel merch. We got t-shirts and hoodies and coffee cups, all kinds of stuff, supporting Kyle Hall Woodworker, and I appreciate all those things that you guys do. Also, thank you to all my members. You guys rock. Really appreciate those of you that support the channel directly by buying me a cup of coffee or being on those other tiers. You guys rock. So, all right, guys, without too much more, let's pop on over to the shop and start running some power tools and clean this piece up. All right, guys, there it is, complete, the Headless Horseman. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn those YouTube notifications on so you guys don't miss any future uploads. Also, if you guys are interested in merch, check out the bar down below the video. You can get some t-shirts, hoodie, coffee cup, all kinds of cool stuff with the Kyle Hall Woodworker logo. Plus, it helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. And those of you that are still hanging on as members, you guys rock. I appreciate the coffees and the monthly subscriptions that you sign up to. It means a lot. Really do appreciate it. I want to thank you guys a lot for giving me an opportunity to carve and create videos for you. If you want to see something fun, something cool, leave me a comment. Let me know what that might be, and we'll see if we can fit it in. Hope you guys have a good day. Check out some videos. See you later.